Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a massive gas giant suddenly replace the moon. That planet is Saturn, beautiful, enormous, and absolutely terrifying. The moment Saturn takes the moon's place in orbit, Earth would no longer be considered a planet. Instead, it would become a moon, captured by Saturn's overwhelming gravity. And from that moment on, life on Earth would be doomed. Saturn is vastly larger than the Moon, about 33 times wider and roughly 7,700 times more massive. Its rings alone stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers, nearly reaching toward Earth. Even though they would appear as a thin band from our perspective, their scale is unimaginable. But the real danger isn't its size, it's its gravity. Within the first hour, Saturn's immense gravitational pull would trigger catastrophic tidal forces on Earth. Oceans would surge into massive waves hundreds of meters high, flooding coastlines and destroying entire cities. Water would rush out and slam back with devastating force. At the same time, the planet's crust would begin to crack under stress. Earthquakes would erupt across the globe, volcanoes would explode, and toxic ash would fill the atmosphere. Civilization would collapse almost instantly. As Earth is pulled away from its orbit around the Sun, it begins a slow but deadly spiral toward Saturn. No longer stable, our planet becomes a captured moon on a collision course with destruction. Along the way, Earth must pass through Saturn's system of moons, turning the journey into a cosmic obstacle course. One of the first major threats is Dione, a large icy moon. Though smaller than Earth's moon, it is still massive enough to cause total devastation. If Dione collides with Earth, the impact would release unimaginable energy, far beyond any asteroid strike in history. The collision would tear into Earth's crust, create a massive crater, and unleash global shockwaves that incinerate everything. Molten rock would rain from the sky, and the surface would become a burning ocean of magma. Nearly all life would be wiped out instantly. Even if Earth somehow avoided a direct collision, the damage from close encounters with other moons would still be catastrophic. Passing near moons like Tethys or Mimas would generate even stronger tidal forces, further tearing apart the planet's structure. Oceans would boil, the atmosphere would be stripped away, and the surface would become completely uninhabitable. Meanwhile, Saturn's largest moon, Titan, remains farther away. While this offers a slight relief, a collision with Titan would be even worse, essentially a planet-destroying event. Luckily, in this scenario, Titan stays distant. But the danger is far from over. As Earth continues spiraling inward, it eventually reaches Saturn's iconic rings. From afar, they appear delicate and beautiful. Up close, they are a deadly field of ice and rock fragments, ranging from tiny particles to massive boulders. As Earth plows through them, the atmosphere ignites with constant impacts, creating a global meteor storm. Any remaining structures, or even spacecraft, would be destroyed instantly. The planet would carve a path through the rings, scattering debris and leaving a trail of destruction behind. Eventually, Earth settles into a temporary orbit around Saturn, passing in and out of the giant planet's massive shadow. But this brief stability doesn't last. As Earth drifts closer, it approaches a critical boundary known as the Roche limit, the point where Saturn's tidal forces overpower Earth's own gravity. Once Earth crosses this limit, the outcome is inevitable. Saturn's gravity begins to tear the planet apart. The side facing Saturn is pulled more strongly than the far side, stretching Earth until it can no longer hold itself together. Within hours, the entire planet is ripped into billions of fragments. These remnants don't disappear. Instead, they spread out and form a new ring around Saturn, a thin band of rocky debris, joining the existing icy rings. What was once Earth becomes just another feature of this giant planet. In the end, Saturn doesn't just replace the Moon, it completely destroys Earth. All life, all history, and everything humanity has ever built would be erased. leaving behind nothing but a ring of dust and rock orbiting a distant giant.